Here we see two Navajos. They're very simple in age and in size, but they have two different solutions done over time. This little one here has been lined with muslin, and it's got a hand-stitched piece of Velcro that's supported on another piece of muslin. This was done about 25 years ago, and it's still perfectly functional, and it accommodates any Velcro slat. But this Navajo, we've done differently. We've put a simple twill tape sleeve, which is sometimes 3 inches, sometimes 2 inches. And the way this works is we can use the steel to slip through this sleeve, and then we suspend it from our magnetic slat. And within this margin of error here, we can slightly raise or lower corners in order to make it hang flat on the wall, which is one of the best things about Velcro. You can pull it off, readjust it, and get a perfectly flat hang. So both of these are equally good at that.